Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft 365 for home and students, full guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft 365 and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the Microsoft 365 section. Look for the option that says for home or for students. Click on the link that corresponds to your choice. You will be taken to a page that outlines the features and benefits of Microsoft 365. Scroll down to find the subscription plans available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Click the Buy Now or Get Started button to proceed. You may be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you do not have an account, click on the option to create a new one. Fill in the required information to set up your account. After signing in or creating an account, review your selected plan. You will then be directed to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit or debit card details as prompted. Double-check all information for accuracy before proceeding. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after your purchase. Now, you can access Microsoft 365 applications from your account dashboard. Feel free to download the apps for offline use on your devices. Enjoy the features and benefits of Microsoft 365 for home and students. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.